Truth is, I didn't handle it well.
Kim Foxx, the Cook County State's attorney who's under investigation for her handling of the Jussie Smollett case, is refusing to release her office's legal bills in response to a Freedom of Information Act request. On February 14th, we requested copies of all legal bills paid to outside counsel to defend Foxx in the Smollett investigation. On February 21st, the state's attorney's office sent a letter saying it needed a 5-day extension to consider the request. 10 days later, we still hadn't heard anything, so we checked in. That's when things got weird. Late Friday, the state's attorney's office sent an official response claiming it could not find any legal bills because no public funds were used to pay for the defense of the, quote, state's attorney in her individual capacity. This claim seemed false because a judge ruled on February 14th that Foxx's office could continue to use public funds to pay outside counsel to assist with the investigation. Most likely, Cook County taxpayers have paid hundreds of thousands of dollars, possibly millions, to pay for the investigation. A spokesperson for the state's attorney's office claimed Friday night that the office misunderstood the FOIA request because of a technicality. It thought the request was only for Kim Foxx's personal legal bills, not for the outside counsel hired to represent the state's attorney's office in its official capacity. We clarified that we wanted copies of all legal bills paid for by public funds by the state's attorney's office to anyone in response to the special prosecutor investigation. Of course, with the election just over a week away, the state's attorney's office may have a good reason to want to misunderstand FOIA requests and drag its feet and delay releasing the legal bills. The state's attorney's office did not respond to a question about whether the delay was politically motivated. The state's attorney's office also denied a Freedom of Information Act request to release a video of a brutal mob attack by black teens on passengers on a CTA train on December 29, 2018. The FOIA office initially denied the request, claiming the matter was an open criminal investigation, but the final defendant in the case filed a guilty plea on January 28 this year. We asked the state's attorney's office to reconsider its refusal to release the video considering the guilty plea, but it reaffirmed its refusal on February 25th. So we appealed the case to the Illinois Attorney General, whose office agreed to review the matter. The appeal is pending.